Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2013 Nissan Dualis TS, stock reference number 4858. The shape runs from the 5th month 2013 through to the 4th month 2014. It has an R9M 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 6-speed manual front-wheel drive transmission. R9M 1.6 litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. We have the left-hand fog light with surround, left guard appears to have no damage, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, both left-hand doors appear to have no damage, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left tail light, left tailgate garnish, tidy rear bumper cover, tailgate appears to have no damage, right-hand tailgate garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle's fitted with grey cloth interior. It's got a black leather centre console lid, manual type console, 6-speed manual gear shifter, heated controls, factory sat nav unit, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke leather steering wheel with cruise audio and phone buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.